Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable or disable data roaming on iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and please write your comments. So, let us get started. In order for you to enable or disable roaming, you'll need to go to Settings on your iPhone. Now select the Mobile Data option. And here you can easily find this option here, through which you can enable roaming. As you can see, there is a button for roaming at the top here. You can click on it and roaming will be enabled, or you can click on it to make it grayed out. This way you will disable roaming. But this option may not be on all iPhones, as it is determined, for example, by whether there is a roaming option, such an additional feature, for example, in your package from your operator. If you don't have roaming in your starter package, it's logical that it won't be in your iPhone settings either. So, don't get upset if you can't find it. It means that it is simply not available to you by your operator, and if you really need roaming, then you can buy another starter package to have roaming enabled in it, and you can control it then. Dear friends, this is how you can enable or disable data roaming on iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put likes, also subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.